Hey guys, I want you to watch very carefully what this tool I'm using is able to turn my starting balance of $250 into a large amount of money. I'm going to keep pausing the video every 10-15 minutes and you can watch as the balance updates. Hey guys, and we're back. It's been 10 minutes and now we're at 273.65. You can see the activity time. It's still going. It's still running. I'm going to come back in 15 minutes and see where we're at. Now it's been about 15 minutes. I had one losing trade and about 5 winning trades, which took the balance from 273 to 344.15 in just 15 minutes. So now I'm going to pause the video and come back in an hour and let's see where we're at. And now it's been an hour, guys, and I've started from $250 all the way to $766.99 in just one single hour. So now I'm pretty sure you're probably wondering, what is this all about? What is going on behind the scenes? Well, I'm using a tool right now, and the robot that I'm currently using is X Profit. As you can see, here's the different robots and the general profit that they are creating. If you go to create my robot, you can see that behind the scenes, there's different indicators, there's different periods, a lot of complex things are going on that I don't even fully understand how it works, but they're running and it's determining basically whether a currency will go up or down in a certain amount of time. The currencies it's using is the Euro to AUD, Euro JPY, Euro GBP. So that must sound really complicated. So let me show you exactly what that is on a typical binary options platform. So if the currency is Euro USD, you're just making a prediction if a currency will go up or down in a certain amount of time. Every correct prediction brings you this much profit, 81%. And whenever you're wrong, though, you lose the investment amount. So if I entered an investment of $25, if I'm correct, I'd get back $45.25. If I'm wrong, I would lose this $25 that I invested. So since it's really difficult, at least for me, to determine whether a currency will go up or down, I found this tool online called BinBot Pro. And if you guys click the link below, you can access that right away. But this is the only tool that I found that using this robot, I don't even have to think about it. I just choose the top robot, I click run, and it nonstop creates profit. And this is where I am right here after just 1 hour. So if you guys are ready to get started, click the link below and you guys can open your account. If you want, stick around for another few minutes. I'm going to show you guys, after you've earned this money, how you can withdraw it to your bank account, to your credit card. And yeah, I'm going to go jump over and show you that right now. So as I mentioned, when you're ready to withdraw your funds, go to account funding. And this will take you over to the account that you signed up to. When you sign up with BinBot Pro, they'll either suggest FinPuri or BinaryMate. Since I'm located in the US, I have it connected to my BinaryMate account, which is all automatic. It's really easy to do. And then you'll come over here and you'll click on withdrawals. So I'm going to go ahead and click on withdrawals. And as you can see, my balance is $766.90, which is the same in BinBot Pro. And my usual method is the bank transfer, and it's asking me how much I want to withdraw. So let's just go ahead and withdraw $766. For some reason, it doesn't let you add cents. So we'll just withdraw $766, and then I'm going to show you that money in my bank account in just 1 hour later. All right, guys, so I'm going to log into my bank account here. Obviously, I'm going to blur out my username and password because I don't want anyone getting a hold of that. But I'm going to go ahead and log in. And I'll go ahead and click on my checking account. And now I'm going to scroll down. And as you can see right here, incoming wire transfer, BinaryMate. And this is the reference number. And as it says here, into the deposits column, 766, which I received just 1 hour later. $766, guys, from a starting balance of $250. And you guys can do this too very easily using BinBot Pro. So if you guys are ready to get started, if you're excited about making some profit online, click the link below and it'll take you directly to BinBot Pro and you can open your account and you can get started right away. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any questions, please comment below and I'll try to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours.